Installation and maintenance of the Optitherm is extremely easy. The spigot can be supplied in advance of the tap body if a phased installation is required. Connections are made with soft PEX braided hoses or by compression fitting to copper pipe. When any maintenance is due, there is no need for access behind the wall panel. Isolation of the water supplies and access to the strainers, check valves and internal thermostatic mechanism is easily achieved from within the room or ward. Isolate the hot and cold water supplies by means of the integral ball valves accessed underneath the tap spigot. Open the levers and allow residual water to drain. Remove the tap's bottom cover using a strap wrench. The strainer and check valve cartridges for the hot and cold supplies are removed using a 12mm hex key. Dirt collects on the inside of the strainer basket, protecting the check valve and the thermostatic control mechanism. The strainer baskets are removable for cleaning purposes. Note that the hot and cold strainer and check valve cartridges are not interchangeable. Use the 12mm hex key to remove the cover of the thermostatic cartridge. Screw in the thermostatic cartridge removal tool, then pull downwards to release the cartridge. A new cartridge can be inserted into the tap body from below. Replace the cartridge cover with the 12mm hex key. Insert a 4mm hex key into the cartridge cover and rotate clockwise to reduce the mixed water temperature and anti-clockwise to increase the mixed water temperature. Replace the bottom cover cap and tighten using the strap wrench. Open the hot and cold water supplies.